Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. Today we're going to talk about the history of Rubik's Cube. First of all, I would like to start with the history, with the date of invention. It was invented in 1974 by Rubik, an architecture professor, a Hungarian architecture professor in 1974. So today I would like to make a challenge. First of all, I do my best to solve it within 2 minutes. And then I'm going to ask a friend of mine whether he's able to finish it within 2 minutes. If within 2 minutes, if he's going to solve or fix this Rubik's Cube, he's going to take it. I'm going to give it as a gift plus this one. So these two is going to be given to the person who is filming me right now. So if you're ready, let's get started. I would like to start first with this one. I do my best to finish it within 2 minutes. So if you're ready, let's get started. I don't know, please come here, open your phone. You can continue, yeah. So come please. And you ready? You ready? I'm going to start. Okay. First of all, I don't know. Ouch. Okay. Oh. Because a long time I haven't practiced. That's why I feel a little bit nervous at the moment. Right. Okay. No, I failed. He's right now happy because I failed. I'm failing actually because I haven't practiced for a long time. Oh my god. I'm very nervous. I don't know why, but I'm very nervous. I don't think that I'm going is successful right now. Oh, I don't think so, but I do my best. Oh, I'm nervous. I'm so nervous. Ouch. 129. Oh, ouch. 140, 141. But no, it's not 141. So I don't think I was very fast. That's why right now I tried to film my friend. He's going to do his best. If he's going to solve this Rubik's Cube within 2 minutes, I'm going to give these both as a gift to him. So that's why, if you're ready, I think my friend is ready. If you're ready, let's get started, please. Come sit down here. I'm going to film you, but he asked me not to film his face. That's why I do my best to keep his privacy secret, or to keep his privacy hidden, right? That's why I don't want to violate his privacy right now. So please come and sit down here. I'm going to film you. All right, look, right now I'm going to mix it first, and then I'm going to give it back, and then my friend is going to solve it again. So let me do my best to mix it perfectly, so he might not be able to solve it within 2 minutes, right? Oh. Zainullah, I think you will be able to, I believe that you are going to fix it within 2 minutes, maybe even less than 2 minutes, really. because I really strong believer of success right now, because you did your best to learn how to solve it for the last 5 days. No, for the last 3 days, actually. For the last 3 days. Zainullah time. I said he has 2 minutes and 4 seconds. So I give him plus 4 seconds more. Okay. Oh, okay. So here, you ready? Say, go. No panic. Calm down. Wow, good job. 153, I think. Oh, really? So these both are yours. Congratulations. Okay.
Thank you.
Now, okay. You see, guys, a friend of mine right now owns these two Rubik's Cube because he did his best to finish and to solve and to fix these awesome magical cube within actually less than 2 minutes. That's why I said to him, if you finish it within 2 minutes, I'm going to give this one and this one. Right now, he actually well deserved right now. He deserves these both magical cubes. And that's why, okay, this is yours. And right, everybody, so we came to the end of today's video. I actually did my best to shoot a really interesting video. So if you would like to see these sorts of videos, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like, share, and I don't know, to comment. And if you would like to see these sorts of videos, please write in the comments below. And actually just write down what sorts of videos are you in favor of watching of. All right, so I live actually right now in a country which is located in Central Asia. That's why I don't know, just let me know in the comments below. And right, okay, goodbye and take care. I will see you next time. So take care and goodbye.